Hello traders, and welcome to the Forex Daily Open. That's me, tradingwithbill.com. And welcome traders, great to have you with me on a beautiful, sunny, hot Monday morning in downtown Pattaya, Thailand. Great to be with you as we bring to you some education and some charts to talk about today's trading session. Couple of things we need to talk about before we get there, though. First, I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is William K. Gilday, and yes, that is me, folks. And that is my website on the bottom of the page, tradingwithbill.com, and it is great to be with you again. All right, traders, let's take a look at my site real quick, being that this is a revised edition that I will be putting onto my YouTube channel every day. So let's take a look at my site. You are welcome to go there. It is all free, traders. Everything is free. Here we go. This is my website, tradingwithbill.com. You get the link for free to get into my live trading room. We open the trading room about 1 hour before the London Open, and we run it up until the London lunch. So we do approximately close to 6 hours in the live trading room every day. And it is a fun time. We have some great traders in there. We got different traders, scalpers, intraday traders, everything. A lot of fun. Great bunch of traders to hang out and chat with. All right, so let's get to the charts. But unfortunately, before we get there, we need to do one more thing. Let's talk about our risk disclaimer. This is Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you're trading money that are paying your bills, please rethink what you're doing and go to a demo account until you can trade comfortably. Traders, when your financial situation is comfortable when you're trading, you will trade better. If you have to sit on the edge of your seat wondering if you're going to win the trade or you're going to go bust, that is not a good way to trade. You will not concentrate on your trade. You will focus on the profit loss box. All right, let's take a look at today's news calendar. Yes, traders, it is the news calendar, May 5th, 2014. We had news already out. I'm doing this video approximately 2 hours before this news came out. And this is the Aussie. Building approvals came in negative at negative 3.5% versus 1%. And in the New York session, we have ISM non-manufacturing. And traders, we have quite a few people on holiday today. We have the UK is on holiday. We have Japan on holiday. And not that they make any influence in our Forex trading, South Korea is on holiday. All right, let's get to the charts. I only did one pair today, traders, and the reason I only did one pair, I want to talk about my charts. I am a very big fan of NinjaTrader and their charting platform. I think they're absolutely outstanding. I've been trading from 2006 and I went full-time in 2008, and I have to tell you, traders, I think this is probably the best charting package I have used yet, and there are some that have come very close behind them, but they do absolutely make a difference. This is the daily chart on the Aussie yen. So let's take a look. This is the green line on the chart is the 200 exponential moving average, and we talk about spatial intelligence. Spatial intelligence, basically what that is you want to be able to look at a chart and read what the chart is saying to you in like 3 seconds. What does this chart say to me? It's in an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, it's in an uptrend. It's ranging now, but that's okay because remember, markets range 80% of the time. 75 to 80% of the time, currency pairs are in a range bound. Inactive zone, rest zone, whatever you want to call it, 80% of the time. In Forex, currency pairs are in a range at some point during the trading session. All right, so on this chart, I've determined that it is in an uptrend, and I want to stay with that. I want to stay with the uptrend, and that is my bias. So when I go down to the next time frames, I am still looking for an uptrend, and I'm looking to take long trades. And on this currency pair, I'm going to stay with that. I'm looking to take long pairs. Long trades, not long pairs, long trades. All right, here we go, traders. It is a Monday morning. Don't have enough coffee in the body yet. We're getting there. All right, here we are. This is the 1 hour chart. Look at that steep decline we had today. That is due to the Aussie having poor data release on building approvals in the Asia session about 2.5 hours ago. So what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for this news event to settle down. Probably before the London Open, hopefully, or in the London Open, we can get into a trade and resume the trend and take this back to the upside. Okay, let me go over a little bit of what is on my charts. On the top of the chart, you see a green dotted line. Traders, that is what you're seeing as today's high. That is today's high. So if a candle goes above that and closes, that dotted green line will move, showing you today's high. The red line does the opposite, showing you today's low. If you get a close below the previous low, it will move the red dashed line down. The gold dashed line on the chart is where the market opened today. That's where the market opened today. Now, I have to be a little bit slick when I look at my charts and I look at where today's price opened, because my charts are on my local time, which is Bangkok time, and it's not on Tokyo Open time, which most people put their charts on. My charts are on local time. Okay? All right, so basically what we're looking for, if you're trading a 1 hour chart, that's awesome. We're looking for bullish candlestick pattern, and we want to take this long after the news basically settles down and comes back out. All right, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart on the Aussie yen. So here we are on the 15-minute chart. Now look at the red line. You can see where it closed below the previous one. The red line came down. The next candle spiked down, closed below again, and we see where that low was recorded on the chart. Let me go over something else with you on the chart, and that is those blue line with the shadow. Those are deviation levels. They are not standard deviation levels. They are deviation levels. Traders, if you go to apexinvesting.com, you can get these deviation levels for free. If you are using NinjaTrader, you can get these for $30 per month, and they automatically come on your chart every day, and they're on your chart by the new Tokyo Open every day. These are deviation levels. I strongly recommend you go check out that website and check out these deviation levels. You do not have to pay money. You can put these on your charts for free from apexinvesting.com, and he gives you the numbers for free. Go to deviations and you can plot them on your charts for free if you cannot afford or do not have the financial means to have them automatically placed on your charts. Either way, and of course if you don't have NinjaTrader, just go to his site, put them on your MT4 charts or whatever charting package you have. You can put them on yourself. It's very easy. And I would suggest that you take a look at his video on trading deviation levels. And again, they're not standard deviation levels. He puts a little unique twist in his deviations where he takes 13 or 15 different indicators to come up with his deviations. He takes stocks, futures, options, support and resistance, trend. He puts all these things into calculating out his deviation levels. And he tries to put his deviation levels where it's projecting the future, where they're not lagging. Very interesting way that he does his deviation levels. I really suggest that you take a look at that, and if you have any comments, just put them and send them to me. Again, you can do that at tradingwithbill.com, and I will get back to you 100%. There's also a contact box on my website. Just send me an email and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. So we're looking for bullish candlestick formations to go long. We want to stay with the trend. Traders, if there's nothing else, I hear a lot of criticism out there about people who just stay with the trend and all this stuff. Folks, I want the probabilities in my side. Probabilities in my side. That's why I trade mostly with currency pairs that trade in average daily range, and I'm not big on average daily range, to be honest with you, as far as my trading goes, but I do use average daily range when I pick my currency pairs. I want 85 pips plus a day in the currency pair. Why would you want to trade a currency pair that's only trading 50 pips or 70 pips or 65 pips? That's probabilities is not in your favor for that trade to work. I want currency pairs that move in pips per day. So I look for 85 pips. And if you go to my website, tradingwithbill.com, you can see I have some tools there that will give you some links to get that information very easily. Forexticket.com is one of them that I highly recommend. It's really a great tool to use in your Forex trading. It takes 2 minutes to put up and it's done. Really great stuff. All right, let's go. We're only doing one currency pair as this is the first day of the new format for my YouTube channel. So I would like to invite you and tell your friends to join me in my live trading room, tradingwithbill.com. Traders, it is absolutely free. All you have to do is go to my site, click on Trading with Bill, and copy. Every day I place the ID number to get into the room. Put that in there and GoToMeeting will bring you right into the room. I open my room between an hour and 30 minutes before the London Open. We have a great time in my trading room. We have some great traders. I really hope you guys come and join me. And we do it every day the market is open. Traders, thank you so much for being with me. It's been a pleasure. Till next time, traders, please trade safe and trade smart. Take care now. Bye-bye.